dynamic mobilization. The first thing we're going to do is straight leg raise with dorsiflexion. We're going to have the patient in supine, and the first thing we're going to do is flex her hip and extend her knee until she feels tension. Do you feel tension with that?
Yep.
Yep. And then we're going to have her foot go into dorsiflexion, and from this we're going to medially rotate her hip, and then I'm going to have her flex her neck like that. And then, do you feel any?
A little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then go ahead and relax. To do flossing with this, I would have her go into this motion with flexion and dorsiflexing the foot, and then do pumps with that. So come down and up. We'd do this 5 times, and then from there I would reassess at the end. The next test I'm going to do is the slump test. So if I can have you scoot to the edge of the table. I'm going to have the patient round her shoulders, so have bad posture, and her neck down. I'm going to have her extend her leg and dorsiflex her foot. Do you feel any pain with that, or sure?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay. To do flossing with this, another thing you can do is have her foot down, or her head down, and then doing pumps up and down. I would do this 5 times, and then reassess at the end as well. For the upper limbs, the first thing I would do is the median mirror. We'll go ahead and come over here. So I would go ahead and have her go ahead and lay out in here. And I'd have the patient in supine. The first thing I would do is depress the scapula, and then I would abduct the shoulder to 90. I would externally rotate her shoulder and supinate her forearm, and then extend her elbow and flex her fingers. Do you feel that?
I feel that. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And then for flossing, I would do that with extending the wrist and fingers, and then relax, and then continue that. And I would also reassess at the end. The next thing that we would do is the radial nerve. This one we'll also have the patient supine. Instead of doing scapula decompression, we do the shoulder girdle. So you would depress here, and then extend the elbow, and externally rotate the shoulder, and supinate the fingers, and then extend the fingers in between. Do you feel that?
I feel that.
You feel that? To do flossing, I would again do the fingers and the wrist, and repeat that 5 times, and then reassess. The last one we will be doing is the ulnar nerve. This one, the patient is also supine, and you depress the shoulder girdle. You abduct the shoulder to 90 degrees, and then flex the elbow. So this time we're going to come up here, and then you will extend the wrist and fingers and abduct. So it looks like this. Do you feel that?
I feel that.
You do. Okay. For that, I would bring the wrist from extension into flexion, and just the neutral rotation.